Also free. Also free. Now this one does turn over with the electric start. The pull start is broken. This one's got some other issues. I don't know if I can get a top cover with all of that pull start and everything, and then check the compression in both. Could be two good machines for free.